Yo, what's up, everybody? How y'all doing? And welcome to another Black Diamond FX episode on this Friday night. And today I will be showing you guys how I passed my futures certified funded trader 50K trading combine with TopStep. All right. I officially passed it on February the 2nd. And tonight I will be showing you guys how I passed it. Okay, so I trade smart money. Those of you that don't know me, I'm a smart money trader. Lately I've been incorporating standard deviation projections, and it's really been helping me out a lot. I've been the way I traded, I've been able to avoid a lot of fake outs. I've been able to find a lot of high quality trades. And like I said, I was able to pass my trading combine with TopStep on futures in 7 days. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I do. So normally I would start with a daily time frame, right? Now, there are several people on the internet that trade using standard deviation projections. I just trade it a little bit differently. All right. So what I do is I go on a daily time frame and I look for liquidity sweeps. Okay. I look at market structure number one, and then I look at liquidity sweeps. Okay. So say for instance, if I'm looking at this chart right here, okay, I see that we are bullish. Okay. This was the previous high, daily high, right? Well, the previous high, right? And see this candle broke and close above this high. So price is bullish, plus price is going up. All right, so I know I'm looking for buys, right? So now what I'm looking for is this. I know these are daily candles and there's a lot of moves. There's a lot of pips in these daily candles, right? So what I look for, now keep in mind, I don't take trades on the daily time frame. I drop down, but I do my initial analysis on a daily. So what I look for is this. What I look for, I want to see price. Okay, I want to see a wick or a candle. And then what I want to see, all right, see how it came down, took this liquidity with this wick. That's what I look for. I look for a wicks on liquidity graphs, not candle close. A candle close is a break of structure. A wick, that's a grab on liquidity. All right, and look what happened. Took liquidity and went up. Okay, now this was back in December 28th. Now I'm just showing you guys examples of what I do. If I move over here, it will be probably a little bit closer to where I would take a trade. And I didn't take a trade on DXY. I'm just here to show you guys how. Okay. So say for instance, we had these lows. Okay. We took this, see how we came up, right? So now I just go to the 4 hour and I take a look at it to see what it looks like. All right. So see what happened. We had a break of structure here. All right. Price went on its way up. All right. So normally after the daily, I would go to the 1 hour. And once I go to the 1 hour, let me turn this Asian session range off. All right. So once I go to 1 hour, I come and I look, okay, I see we had this little high here. We had these highs here. I would probably look for these highs over here. See, we got equal highs. I would look for that to get broken. Okay. And that's exactly what happened. So what I do is I take my Fibonacci, my standard deviation Fibonacci. I'm going to show you guys the settings in a bit. All right. And I put it up to this high up here. All right. And I look for, now my target is going to be the -2, somewhere between the -2 and the -2.5. I'm going to look for a high or some type of POI or liquidity, some type of liquidity in between or close around the -2 and the -2.5. And if I look over to the left, you can see we have these highs, which is a perfect area of liquidity. Okay. I will mark it. Boom. Now y'all seeing this live. Not live because it's Friday night, but this is not like this is not a replay. It's not like a replay or nothing like that. I'm not back testing. I'm showing you guys exactly what I do. Like if the market was live right now and I traded the DXY, this is exactly how I would be looking for this trade. Okay. So this will be my target from there to there. So now I have my target in between the -2 and the -2.5. The -4 could be a target as well. And also look for This I noticed this happens a lot. Price will go to the -1, and once price will hit the -1, if it doesn't retrace, it'll go up to your -2. But as you can see, at the -1, it didn't quite completely get there, but price has started retracing. Okay, so now I would look for price to start coming back, and I would look for a POI somewhere down here. Now we have all of this imbalance right here, and we have this high. Price could potentially hit this breaker. All right. Hold on 1 second, y'all. I'm a baby girl. Yeah, what's wrong? You want a cupcake? Hold on 1 second. Y'all give me 1 second. One quick second. My baby girl want a Valentine's cupcake. And guess what? If she want a Valentine's cupcake, daddy's gonna give her a Valentine's cupcake. All right. Hold on 1 second. Cupcake. You see the pink cupcake? Yes. Hold on, I'm having trouble getting it off. Hold on 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Oh. There we go. You want pink? Uh-huh. Now sit to the table, okay? Daddy gonna put it on the table. Y'all give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Put it right. Oh, all right. All right, y'all. So baby wanted a cupcake, so daddy gotta give a cupcake. All right, so now I'm gonna look for price to come back down somewhere up in here, or it could possibly hit this high. See this high right here? A lot of times that there may be a breaker block in there. All right. But I'm most likely going to look for price to come back down up in here in this fair value gap. And see, we have these overlapping fair value gaps right here. See, we have this fair value gap here. All right. And see how it overlaps? It's like 3 overlapping. Well, this one, boom, this one got taken out. So pretty much it's just this long one. So I just realized this one has been mitigated when it came back down. All right. But we also have this one that hasn't been mitigated yet. Okay. So I'm thinking price is most likely going to come back down. Let's see if I go down to the 1 hour, down to the one, let's see what we got. Okay. Now let's see if we look right here. This was balanced out with these wicks. There's no fair value gap, but then we still have this one right here. All right, on the 1 hour. Right. And also if we go down to the 15-minute, see what it look like on 15. All right. I probably could close it down a little bit, maybe bring it down to around here. All right. So somewhere between there and down here somewhere, I'm looking for price to come back to. Now this is 15-minute 104, 103. Price is like 80 pips away. All right. 80, roughly 88 pips away. All right. So it's gonna take some time. All right, but that's what I'm looking for, price to come back down like this. All right, come down and then come up and probably go to that go and hit our target up around the -2. All right, that's what I'm looking for on that. That's how I find my trades, y'all. It's simple. I'm not saying it's easy because it took me some time to get here, but it really is simple. All right, now my account, this account here, this is a futures account. All right, so I haven't been trading forex pairs on it. I've been trading futures. So let's look at futures. Okay, now CL, this is light crude oil. All right, I trade a lot of light crude oil. Okay, and as you can see, all right, now price didn't come back down all the way here, but price did tap in right here. See right there? All right, and this was January 2nd. All right, and I look like over here. I actually caught this up here. This up here to up here. Was it here? Was it this that I caught? Or this? I forgot which one it was. Which one of them bad boys I caught. But I caught a few of them because I trade in like a like although I have this account here on this day, February 2nd. So on February 2nd was the day I passed it. So I'm trying to find the exact trade. This was February the 4th. All right. I know that I passed it on a buy for, was it gold on the 2nd? Let's see. I'm trying to find the one I passed it on, y'all. Wasn't gold. I think it was this here. Yeah, I think it was this on the 2nd, 5th. Yep, that was it because I caught it from here. See how we have, all right. I saw these overlapping fair value gaps. Remember I talked about the overlapping fair value gaps? Okay, so I saw them overlapping here, from here, this one, and this one right here. All right. I saw these overlapping fair value gaps. All right. And really, I didn't need that much more. So I just went on and took it and I passed it right here. All right. I think I only needed like about $700 and I got it like, I think this wick might have gave me what I needed. All right. Or maybe just a little bit above somewhere in the body. Came here, this wick came up, somewhere around up in here. All right. But I got what I needed and I passed it and got out of the trade. All right. But oh no, this is right here. Look, see this blue arrow? This was it right here. If we break this down, we can see, hold up, it's 1:15. See if I can go back. This candle right here, right here. And this was on a downtrend. But I caught this little small, see how we broke this little structure right here? Came down right here, and then I saw this. Now this broke right here, okay? So I just went on ahead and just took out this little small area of liquidity. This was pretty much like a little pullback trade, but I recognized what was happening. Now, I don't suggest you guys trade this way. I've been trading a while, so I know what I'm doing. All right. And I didn't need this whole candle anyway. I only need a small piece of it. And that's what I did. And I passed it. All right. And then see if I had just waited a little bit longer, I could have stayed in comfortably. Ooh, cut it up here. All right. I just wanted to show you guys that. But that's how I trade. Let me show you guys something now. All right. So I look for, all right. So price will be going up. Boom. Sometime we might get it back up to about here and then come down, or it might go up to up here. All right. It all depends. All right. It's not going to be the same all the time. All right. So once we get this break of structure right here, see when we going up right here, once we get this break of structure, I mean, and this higher, you want to see higher time frame break of structure. You don't want to see that lower time frame stuff. You want to see that higher time frame break of structure to the low side. Okay. So what I do is I take my fibs and I put it from this high to the low that was broken down there. All right. Now, normally when you use fibs, you go from left to right. All right. From this high to this low. Look for that retracement. And then normally the fibs will go from this high to this low. It'll retrace somewhere in here. You take the cell down. All right. Okay. But with standard deviation, you do it to this previous low here. That broke structure. All right. And then you go to the -2, -2.5, and you see, now this isn't lined up with this. I just kind of drew it. But you go over and you see if this lined up with some kind of liquidity up in here, or even this one. All right. With some kind of high or low or fair value gap, some type of internal liquidity, or maybe even external. All right. And then you can set that as your profit target. All right. And my settings, I'm gonna show you guys my settings. Because I want you guys to really learn this. This is amazing, man. This is amazing. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys something else too. All right, so these are my settings. 0, the 0.5, now the 0.62 and the 0.79, that's my optimal trade entry. I just added to my standard deviation fibs. But my main fibs for standard deviation is the 1, the -1, -2, -2.5, and the -4. These negatives, look for these negatives. All right. -1, -2, -2.5, -4. All right. So let me show you guys something. Now, that's one way that I trade. Now check this out. I know you guys saw when I turned this off, right? The Asian session range. I want to show you guys this because this is another way that you can trade. Let's see. Okay, it's on 15 minutes. So another way you can trade it, of course, always see what direction the market is moving in. Notice market is bullish, right? Okay, that's on the daily. Go down to the I can go down to the 1, I can go down to let's look at the 15-minute chart. Okay, so we know we're looking for buys, right? So on buys, what we will look for is we want to see the bottom side being manipulated. All right. Remember, the market is what? Bullish. So we're looking for buys. We're not looking for sales. We're looking for buys. Right? Now you can look for sales, but please understand that you're not looking for long-term sales. The sales are going to be shorter term because they're only pullbacks. All right. But you can find them. You can find them. But for the less experienced traders, you want to look for, if the market is bullish, you want to look for buys only. If the market is bearish, you want to look for sales only. Okay. So now that we know we were bullish, we're looking for buys. Look at this. Check this out, right? So notice we came down. We took out these lows, right? Price dipped into, see this fair value gap right here? I don't know if y'all can see it. And look, if I go to a higher time frame, this is an order block right there. It tapped into it. Boom. See right, hold on, right here. Higher time frame, lower time frame. Order block right there. See that? Boom, tapped into it. All right. Now, see we tapped into it. Price did break above this high right here. Price broke and closed, not just broke it, but it closed above it. All right. So that's my first inclination that price is going to go up. So now what do I do? Now, all right. Now I can look for, I can put my standard deviation. Let's see. Having trouble. I would put it from here on this one, from here probably to about here. And then go look for my -2, -2, -2.5. Where are they? -2 over here. Let's see. Go to higher time frame. I don't really see nothing up there. -4 weekly. So we really don't have nothing up there yet. All right. So in that case, I would just target the -2. All right. Let price go up there, slap it, and then see what's happening. Look what happened. If I target this as my high, let's go down to the lower time frame. Now you can see this probably could be your high, or this probably can be your high. All right. And then look what's happening. Hold on, y'all. What's wrong? Okay, okay, I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. Just hold on. All right. So check this out. Okay, go ahead. All right. And look, another order block right there. You see price already starting to come back down. So this is on YM, which is the Dow Jones. Or if you're trading in the Forex market, it's known as US 30. Hey, Julian, Adonai, Vader, I need you to lower that down. Lower it down. Lower it down. It's too loud. All right. And I'll set my target up here. Boom. And just wait for it. All right. And that's what I'll be looking for in the upcoming week. See that? We found a trade setup potential right there. Boom, boom. US 30. That's US 30. YM Dow Jones, US 30. Watch. Watch something. Boom. Watch this. See that? Exact same. See this? US 30. US Wall Street 30. 50-minute chart. Wanda. All right. Now if I go to YM1, this is futures. E-mini Dow Jones, $5 futures. All right. Boom. Same thing. But that's what I'm looking for on for the Dow Jones. All right. And this is how I passed, boom, TopStep. All right. Like if you guys find this video helpful, please like it. Please subscribe. Please, leave me a comment, saying, and even if you didn't like the video, leave a comment. Tell me what you didn't like, and I can make adjustments. I can, improve on my video skills. My focus is trading, not making videos. I do these videos to help you guys, all right? And once I get enough subscribers, I can teach for a much lower rate through my YouTube channel, but I need the subscribers. So go ahead, like this video, subscribe, holla at your boy. If you want to learn, if you want to learn from me, join my group. Message me, blackdiamondfx@yahoo.com. Hit me up on Instagram. Hold on one second. I'm gonna put it right here for y'all. Email blackdiamondfx@yahoo.com. Hit me up. Y'all can inbox me on IG, Instagram, Black Diamond_FX. All right. Boom, right there. Hit me up. Let me know you want to learn, you want to trade like Black Diamond FX, you want to join a team. It's a one-time fee, lifetime membership. All right. Once I start going on, once I start teaching on YouTube, the price will go down, but it's going to be a monthly subscription fee. All right. So show you boys some love, man. Holla at me. Y'all got any questions? Holla at me. Holla at me on Instagram. Holla at me through the email. And I will talk to you guys later. I hope it helps. Deuces.